The COMFIER Shiatsu Massager, model XXXX, offers a comprehensive massage experience with its combination of shiatsu, finger pressure, kneading, rolling, spot, air compression, and infrared heating functions. This massager features adjustable shiatsu massagers for the neck and shoulders, along with a detachable and washable cover to customize the intensity of your massage. The device provides a 2D or 3D deep tissue kneading massage for the full back, with the option to adjust the width of the rolling massage heads to fit different body types. For added relaxation, the massager includes an optional infrared heating function that delivers gentle warmth to relieve muscle tension and soreness. The air massage feature on the waist and seat offers adjustable intensity levels, providing cyclical air compression to improve circulation and soothe sore muscles. You can also enjoy a vibration massage on the seat with 3 intensity settings and set a timer for automatic shutoff after 15 minutes to ensure safe usage.